Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we're making another hammer for my Leatherman Wave Plus. So this is the previous hammer I made for it. It's a little bit too big and doesn't fit on when I want to put my pocket clip on. So I want to leave my pocket clip on and then take my lanyard loop out on this side to put the hammer in that side. So let's start making another hammer. I'm using angle iron, so I'll show you later when we get on with it. So it's a rainy day with us, so I can work on the machine in the garage. Here is the size of the hammer now, and I've already cut the slot. Going to work on that now further. Okay guys, so it's set up. So now we're just going to try to get it 1 millimeter to fit into the slot here. Needs to fit in there. That's 1 millimeter, and so we have a very small point we grab on here to hold on. So let's see how it keeps up. Okay guys, so now I just have to cut out here, this corner here, so okay guys, so here is how it looks so far after I've deburred it a little bit and worked it out so it can fit in nicely here now. So it goes in like this, there in the slot, as you can see, nice and tight fit. So my pocket clip can also fit through here, but was actually just wondering or thinking when I made it, I don't want my pocket clip to touch it when I hammer it, so that's actually why I was cutting the slot in. So underneath here you can see there's a gap still. I'm going to put or aluminium between it, or I'm thinking maybe a piece of leather that can be also useful. So the thing is, I'm going to cut this piece off of this material and then I'll weld it on top there. So that will be my hammer. The small piece, very thin, so it won't be as bulky as my previous hammer. So we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so here is the new hammer I made. So it's the new size of it, and I think it's fitting a little bit better than the old one that is so bulky and was so big. It looks better on the leatherman. If you can see, here is the old one. So there's a big difference in size of it. So let me know, what do you think, which one is better, the thick one or the thinner one, and which one you prefer.